Welcome to Inside Daily English. Everyday life, everyday English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Inside Daily English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. Hello, hello.
How are you today? Are you ready for a new day?
Yes, a new day, new energy.
That's right. Today is special. Do you know why?
Why?
Today, we're going to the office.
Oh, the office.
Yes, the office is a special place. We meet people, we work together, we drink coffee.
Coffee. Yes, I love coffee at the office.
Me too. And today, we will talk about office life. Simple words. Real feelings.
That's beautiful. Office life is interesting, right?
Yes, very interesting. Sometimes busy, sometimes quiet, but always human.
Exactly. We are all human. We all feel the same things.
So today, let's feel the office together. Let's learn together.
Yes, let's start our day. Are you ready, Emma?
I'm ready, Alex. Let's go to the office.
So, Emma, morning at the office. What do you do first?
First, I walk in. I say good morning.
Good morning. That's so important.
Yes, good morning to everyone. It makes people smile.
I love that. A smile in the morning is gold.
Gold. That's a beautiful word, Alex.
Thank you. So you say good morning, then what?
Then I go to my desk. My desk is my little home.
Your little home. I like that.
Yes, I have my computer, I have my cup, maybe a plant.
A plant on your desk?
Yes, a small plant. It's green, it's alive.
Oh, I love that. It makes the desk feel warm.
Exactly, warm and peaceful.
What about coffee? Do you get coffee?
Oh yes, coffee is important. I walk to the kitchen.
The kitchen, the heart of the office.
Yes, everyone goes to the kitchen.
What do you say in the kitchen?
I say, how are you today?
Simple, beautiful.
Yes. And people answer. They say, I'm good, thanks. And you?
That's the magic moment.
Magic moment?
Yes, that small talk. It connects people.
Oh, I love that. Small talk connects us.
Exactly. We are not alone. We are together.
Together. That's the feeling of the office.
So you get your coffee, then what?
Then I sit down. I check my emails.
Emails, the morning routine. Yes,
I open my computer. I see the messages.
How do you feel when you see emails?
Sometimes a little nervous.
Nervous.
Yes. What if something is urgent?
Oh, I understand. But you know what?
What?
Most emails are okay. They're just normal.
That's true. You're right, Alex.
So take a breath, read slowly.
Take a breath. I like that.
Yes, breathe, then read.
Okay, so I read the emails. Some are from my boss.
Your boss? How is your boss?
My boss is kind. She always says please and thank you.
That's wonderful.
Yes. She makes me feel respected.
Respect. That's so important at the office.
Yes, when people respect you, work feels good.
Exactly. And what about meetings?
Oh, meetings. Yes, we have meetings.
How do you feel about meetings?
Sometimes they're long,
Yes, I know that feeling.
but sometimes meetings are helpful.
Helpful. How?
We share ideas, we solve problems together.
Together. That word again.
Yes, together is powerful.
So in the meeting, what do you say?
I say, I have an idea.
Good. Simple and clear.
Yes, and people listen.
That must feel good.
It does. It feels good to be heard.
What if you don't understand something?
Then I say, can you explain that?
Perfect. That's honest.
Yes, it's okay to ask questions.
Always okay. Never be afraid.
Never be afraid. That's good advice, Alex.
Thank you. So after the meeting, what happens?
After the meeting, I go back to work.
Back to your desk.
Yes, I have tasks to do.
Tasks, the daily work.
Yes, some tasks are easy, some are hard.
What do you do when a task is hard?
I ask for help.
That's smart.
Yes, I ask my colleague.
Your colleague, your team,
Exactly. My team is there for me.
and you are there for them.
Yes, we help each other.
That's beautiful, Emma. That's what an office should be.
Yes, a place where people help people.
What about lunch? Do you take a break?
Oh, yes, lunch is important.
Very important. You need energy.
Yes, I eat something simple, maybe a sandwich.
A sandwich, classic.
Yes, and I talk with my friends.
Friends at the office, that's special.
Very special. We laugh, we share stories.
Laughter is the best medicine.
Yes, it makes the afternoon easier.
What about the afternoon? How does it feel?
The afternoon, sometimes I feel tired.
Me too. That's normal.
Yes, but I keep going.
You keep going. That's strong.
Thank you, Alex.
And at the end of the day,
At the end, I finish my work, I close my computer.
how does that feel?
It feels good, like I did something.
You did. You worked hard.
Yes, and then I say goodbye.
Goodbye to everyone.
Yes, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. That's hope.
Hope?
Yes, tomorrow is a new day, a new chance.
Oh, I love that. Tomorrow is always there.
Always. So the office is not just work,
No, it's life. It's people.
it's connection.
Yes, connection. That's the word.
Okay, everyone, now it's time for our learning moment.
Yes, let's learn some office expressions.
These are simple, but very useful.
Ready? Let's go.
First expression, how's it going?
How's it going?
Yes, this is a friendly question. You can say it to anyone.
In the morning, in the afternoon,
Yes, how's it going means, how are you?
but it's more casual, more relaxed.
Exactly. For example, hey, Sarah, how's it going?
And Sarah says, good. How about you?
Perfect. Simple and warm.
Next expression, can you help me with this?
Yes, this is so important at the office.
When you need help, just ask.
Can you help me with this? It's polite, it's clear.
For example, Alex, can you help me with this report?
And I say, of course. Let me see.
Beautiful. People want to help. Just ask.
Next one. I'll get back to you.
Ah, this one is useful.
Yes, sometimes you need time. You can't answer right now, so you say, I'll get back to you.
It means I will answer later. For example, Emma, do you have the data?
I'll get back to you this afternoon.
Perfect. Clear and honest.
Next expression. Let's touch base.
Touch base. Interesting phrase.
Yes, it means let's talk later.
Let's check in. Let's connect.
Exactly. For example, let's touch base tomorrow morning.
Okay, sounds good.
It's friendly, it's professional.
Last one. Good job.
Oh, I love this one.
Everyone loves this one.
Good job means you did well.
It's encouragement. It's support.
For example, you finished the project? Good job.
It makes people feel proud.
Yes, so use it often.
Good job, Emma.
Good job, Alex.
So those are our 5 expressions. Let's review.
Number 1, how's it going?
Number 2, can you help me with this?
Number 3, I'll get back to you.
Number 4, let's touch base.
Number 5, good job.
Practice these. Use them every day.
They will make your office life easier.
And warmer.
Yes, warmer and kinder.
So, Emma, we talked a lot about the office today.
Yes, it was a good conversation.
What did you feel?
I felt grateful.
Grateful.
Yes, the office is not perfect, but it's a place where people come together.
That's beautiful.
We work, we laugh, we help each other.
We are human together.
Exactly. That's the heart of it.
You know what I learned today?
What?
Small moments matter.
Small moments?
Yes, saying good morning, asking how someone is, sharing coffee.
Oh, yes, those little things.
They make the office feel like home.
Like home. I love that.
So tomorrow, when you go to the office,
Yes.
remember to smile
Remember to say hello.
and remember to be kind.
Yes, kindness changes everything.
It does. One smile can change someone's day.
And one kind word can give someone hope.
Hope. That's what we all need.
So, to everyone listening,
Yes, to you.
take these feelings with you.
Take this warmth.
And tomorrow, be the light in someone's day.
Be the good morning.
Be the smile.
Be the friend.
Yes, we all can do that.
And that's what makes an office special.
Not the desks, not the computers.
But the people.
Always the people.
So thank you, everyone, for listening today.
Thank you for being here with us.
We hope you felt something.
We hope you learned something.
And most of all,
We hope you feel ready.
ready for tomorrow.
Ready to shine.
Well, Alex, it's time to say goodbye.
Already? Time goes so fast.
It does. But that's okay.
Yes, because we'll be here again.
Tomorrow? Next week.
Always here for you.
So, to everyone listening,
Yes,
remember, you are doing great.
you really are.
Learning English is not easy,
But you are here. You are trying.
and that is everything.
That is courage.
Yes, so be proud of yourself.
Every word you learn, every sentence you understand.
It's a small victory.
And small victories become big changes.
Beautiful, Alex.
Thank you.
So, what's next for Inside Daily English?
Next time, we have a new story,
A new place, new feelings,
but the same warmth
the same kindness,
will be here waiting for you.
with open hearts.
So, until then,
Take care of yourself.
be kind to yourself.
And remember,
English is not just words.
it's connection,
It's feeling.
it's life.
Thank you for joining us today.
Everyday life, everyday English.
See you next time on Inside Daily English.
Goodbye, everyone,
Goodbye.
and good luck.